Bass, intruder on the beat, bass, JB, bass. Told don't fuck with the bass. Jamie already told man like don't go on like I know the bass. Act up rude boy, you know you will get banged to the face.
Hey, happy Monday, everybody. In today's video, I'm going to jump into some new coins that we haven't covered on this channel before. So before we do get into that, guys, make sure all of you have paused the video, you've ran up that likes. Let's try and get these likes to like 100, 150 likes. Go and drop me a sub if you're new here, and let's get into the video. Now, I'm sure many of you have seen the title to today's video. Base chain, okay? Base is looking like it's the new Solana, guys. Base has been taken over. I've been seeing so many new coins come out on the Base chain. Now, what the hell is Base? Base is the ecosystem of Coinbase, guys. It is a secure, low-cost layer 2 to Ethereum, and it is built to bring the next billion users on chain. And if you haven't seen the Coinbase master plan, let me just give you a little sneak peek of that. Now, Coinbase actually didn't make their own coin, guys. They just wanted to create an ecosystem for everybody to be building on and to bridge the next influx of users into crypto. Now, you can see here, this was posted in September 2016. So how many, 8 years ago, guys? That's nearly a decade ago. They've been working on this, okay? So that's one reason to be bullish. They haven't just push this out in the last bull run or the bull run before that to try and get users in. They've said, no, we want to make this right, okay? Now, phase 1 was the protocol. So you had the digital currency, Bitcoin and Ethereum. They wanted to reach 1 million people. Then you had the infrastructure, so your exchanges, your secure storage, which was for the next 10 million people to be onboarded. You had the consumer interface, which was a user-controlled wallet, which is now bridging the next 100 million people. And then lastly, you're going to have the decentralized apps. So we're going to have finance 2.0 basically, guys, okay? Internet 2.0, web 3.0, and that's going to be trying to reach 1 billion users. Now, as there's no coin, you're going to have to bridge your Ethereum onto the Base chain, but it's pretty easy. And if you want me to cover that in a separate video, if you want me to show you like a tutorial, then go and drop me a like, let me know in the comments as well, and I can do that in a separate video. But for the purpose of today's video, we're just going to go into what is Base, what coin I'm buying today, and then you guys can make your decision at the end. But look at this, making Ethereum accessible to everyone. Base is built as an Ethereum layer 2 with the security, stability, and scalability you need to power your on-chain apps. Confidently deploy any EVM code base and on-ramp your users and assets from Ethereum layer 1, Coinbase, and other interoperable chains. Big features, small fees. Get the EVM environment at a fraction of the cost. That is what we like, guys, because we already know how it is trying to trade Ethereum tokens. It's a nightmare. I've got too many in my ledger. Still on the ETH chain that I need to bridge, and yeah, you know what, maybe I will do that in a whole separate video. It's open sourced and powered by Optimism, and again, if you don't know anything about Optimism, go drop me a like, go drop me a comment, because I've got a big fat stack of Optimism. I think it's going to be an amazing layer 2 in this bull run. And then you can see that it's scaled by Coinbase. Base is an easy way for decentralized apps to leverage Coinbase's products and distribution. And just before we do get on to what coin I'm buying, guys, look at this. 10 times cheaper than Ethereum. That is fantastic. Now, if you're not really following me, guys, go and follow the X, because I did post something here earlier today to say, right, Base and AERO video coming out today. Little spoiler alert. So again, if you guys want to be giving me some suggestions on what you want me to be covering, then you go and follow the X and you let me know in my comments. Aerodrome. AERO is the central trading and liquidity marketplace on Base, guys. It is the liquidity provider for Base. It is a next-gen AMM designed to serve as Base's central liquidity hub, combining a powerful liquidity incentive engine, vote lock governance model, and a friendly user experience, guys. So you can see here, stable and volatile trading for low Vs. 100% of protocol incentive and fees go to voters, which will be you guys. Liquidity lock positions in the form of NFTs, permissionless pools, gauges, and incentives. Self-optimizing liquidity flywheel, anti-dilution rebases for voters. And you can see here, they've got like a little diagram on how all of the fees and the rewards will be distributed there. But to break it down more simply, you've got traders who will swap tokens with minimal slippage and pay some of the lowest fees to AERO lockers. Liquidity providers deposit the tokens used for trading on Aerodrome and receive AERO emissions as rewards. Protocols offer incentives to AERO voters to attract votes / AERO emissions to their pool, allowing them to build liquidity at a low cost. And then AERO voters vote on which pools will earn AERO emissions and receive 100% of incentives and fees for the pools they vote. Any AERO holder can lock their token to convert to AERO, guys. And again, I mean, a lot of people use Dex Screener to see what base coins there are, and that looks something like this, guys. So what you can do this for pretty much all chains here, but if you look at the side there, look at the corner there where my arrow is, you've got Solana, Ethereum, BSC, Arbitrum, and Base. And then you can see that there's like based Shiba Inu, based Peng, Bluff. You're seeing things like Brett. That was a whole different thing that happened over the past week. Brett going to zero, Brett coming back up, people making stupid money, shorting and longing, and what's happened with the team. Have they even replied yet? You guys can let me know in the comments. But you've got the whole base ecosystem right down there below, guys. However, when you come to Aerodrome Finance, what you can do, guys, is you can click on the swap here, and it can actually connect you to any address that you want. And in my case, I connected my MetaMask, but you can easily swap coins using Aerodrome, guys. So you can swap AERO for USDC, you can swap pretty much whatever coin they have here. They've got 129 coins available right now, and the ecosystem will continue to grow. Now, Aerodrome is currently at a price of $1.11. 111. I keep seeing 111 everywhere, guys. Okay. Any of you guys into numerology, do you see numbers everywhere? Let me know. But $1.11, and we're up a 10x or 11x from the low, guys. Now, I've been looking at Aerodrome for a long time. I saw it pumping up all the way past $2, and I've been waiting to catch a position on this. I knew there was going to be a retracement. I just didn't know if it was going to be to here, to like $1.50, or if we'd go lower, maybe we'd catch that $1 again. So, you know, I'm not trying to catch a falling knife, but what I do want to do is I want to start to average in. So I've actually started to average in at around $1.34, which I gave my members club. And I'm now going to average in at around $1.10, $1. And then if we do get like into the 90 cents, maybe 80 cents, that might be a push. I will start to double down. And again, if you guys are invested in AERO and you want more AERO videos, more updates, then just let me know in the comments. Go drop me a like, go drop me a sub, so that I know that you guys will want this content. But AERO currently sitting at a $400 million market cap as the LP for Coinbase. It's a no-brainer. Now, guys, I added my first buy level at $1.34 at this, what could have been support, which wasn't support, guys. So again, this is going to act as a new resistance. We'll see how we deal with that in the future. I've added more at $1.11, and I'm adding more at 99 cents, guys. Okay, so AERO, I think it's going to have immense potential in this bull run. You can see the way that the base ecosystem is absolutely flourishing. Is it going to be the next Solana? I think it could be a competitor to Solana. Even when you're looking at the meme coins that are built on Solana and the meme coins that are built on AERO, it looks like that ecosystem is really starting to pick up, guys. So again, this is one that is on my watch list. This is one that's on my DCA level. I've got my buy orders set for below. I'm going to be making sure that I pick up as much AERO as I can before the bull run. So that's it. It's just a quick one on AERO, quick one on base today. Let me know if you guys are in any base coins. And again, to make sure you don't miss any more content, make sure you smash that like button, turn on post notifications, drop me a sub. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace, gang.